Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Friday, August the 8th, and I am always a little nervous on Fridays going into a weekend because you never know what true social posts will come out from the president on the weekend that could roil the futures markets and then the at the open create havoc and greater uncertainty and more volatility in the markets. And potentially send things down before they maybe turn upwards if they turn upwards. So I typically take a cautious position on Friday. Last weekend, I didn't. I was over invested in Google and was down significantly at the end of the day Friday. Fortunately, on Monday, Google came back and I was back in the money before the end of the day, really by noon that day, and sold out and took a profit. But I'm going to avoid doing that this weekend and go to cash for the most part, and just wait for buying opportunities as we enter Monday and see what Monday holds. Because we have seen times when Mondays were have had significant impacts on a downward correction like trajectory, and I want to avoid that. So if we take a look at what's going on here, we've had a huge run up this week in semiconductors thanks to the tariff exclusion announced, and those have sent those stocks up. The stocks that have kind of come down a little bit are the financials, and I'm keeping my eye on Goldman. If Goldman comes down in the 690 to 700 range, that's a stock that I'm going to look at picking up, but I think it's a little too rich even right now at 719. So that's one I'm keeping my eye on. The other one that looks like it's going to take off today in the pre-market, it already is up, and it was up yesterday, is SoFi, one I've talked about, up 300% over the course of the last year. So those are two to look at. And then the other that I trade daily is Google. I've done very well this year in Google and those trades, and it looks like it's up again this morning as well going into the open. Good luck in your trades today, and if you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.